Let us consider this problem. 20% of the observations in a normal distribution are below 60. 80% of the observations are below 120. Compute the mean and standard deviation of the normal distribution. See, let x be a normal variate. It is given that probability of x less than 60, 20% of the observations are below 60 is 0.20, and probability of x below 120 is equal to 0.80, 80 by 100. Let me standardize these information. Is it less than 60? Mu, I don't know what is mu. Let me write it as mu. Sigma, I don't know what is sigma, right? And here again you standardize, reduce mu and divide by sigma. The probability will not change. Okay, now these two values are to be plotted on a graph. You have a normal curve, and you know when you start from here, if you come up to this z is equal to 0, you would have covered 0.5 area, right? 50% of the area. Now z less than 60 minus mu by sigma is 0.20. Less than means come from this side. Now you should place the ordinate on this curve in such a way that 20%, if you come up to here, 50% will be covered. So 20% will be somewhere here. So the probability of z less than 60 minus mu by sigma is 0.20. Okay. Now come to this information. Probability of z less than 120 minus mu by sigma is 0.8. If you start from here and cover up to this area, you would have covered 0.5, right? And still more, you should cover 0.3 to get 0.8. So come up to here and write 0.3. So see here, it is 0.2 plus 0.3 is remaining 0.5 plus 0.3 becomes 0.8. So this is 120 minus mu by sigma, right? This is how you should cover the area. See, you draw the curve. The area to be covered is 0.2. So start from here, stop here. So the remaining area will be 0.30. So this is 60 minus mu by sigma. Now you should cover the area 0.8 to have this point. Come up to this, you will get only 0.5. So go beyond this, have 0.30, you will get 120 minus mu by sigma. So probability of z less than 120 minus mu by sigma is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.2, 0.8. Yes, fine. Now, after drawing this graph, you need not go to this information. From this graph, you are going to proceed. Okay. See, from this graph, you take two information with 0 as the reference point. From the curve, we get probability of 0 less than z less than 120 minus mu by sigma is 0.30. Right? Okay. Let me take this information first. If this area is 0.30, what should be this point? I can extract that from the table. See, 0.30 is the area to be covered. 0.30. You can also take this, right? 0.2995 is 0.30. So the value is 0.84, right? 0.84. So your 120 minus mu by sigma should be 0.84. Okay. So 120 minus mu should be equal to 0.84 sigma is the information you are getting out of this information. Okay. This equation you are getting out of this information. Now you have two unknowns, so you need two equations, right? So what you do is you take one other information from this graph, right? The graph says, again from the curve, you have probability of 60 minus mu by sigma less than z less than 0 is 0.30. But you see, you can make use of this table only when the information is 0 to something. Okay, so this can be written as probability of 0 less than z less than 60 minus mu becomes negative of that. That is mu minus 60 by sigma. Okay, 60 minus mu by sigma here becomes mu minus 60 by sigma when it comes to the right. Okay, is equal to 0.30. So if the area is 0.30, mu minus 60 by sigma should be equal to 0.84. See, the area is 0.30. So the ordinate should be 0.84. Okay. So you get mu minus 60 is equal to, this is the third information you are taking from the curve, and the fourth equation you have derived using, this is fourth. Okay, now you can solve 2 and 4. 2 says 120 minus mu is equal to 0.84 sigma, and 4 says mu minus 60 is equal to 0.84 sigma. Right, now let us add 2 and 4. What happens? Mu gets cancelled, 12 minus 60 becomes 60, and 0.48, 1.68 sigma. So you get sigma is equal to 60 by 1.68, which is 35.71, and put sigma is equal to 35.71 in either of these two equations. Let me put in 2. You get 120 minus mu is equal to 0.84 into 35.71, which implies mu is equal to 120 minus 0.84 into 35.71. 120 minus 0.84 into 35.71. I get 90.0036. Okay, so the mean of this normal distribution is 90.0036. You can approximate it to 90, and sigma is equal to how much? 35.71. Okay, so this is how you find the values of mu and sigma in normal distribution.